In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Photoshop Android smartphone app. So if you're having challenges with your app, maybe it is not opening or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can solve all these errors and get your app running well. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. Now, to get started, go and look for the app information page, and you can simply do this through settings. So if you go to settings here and then scroll down and look for apps, you can see the apps is here. Tap on it and then look for the option called manage apps. Now this will display all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From here, scroll down until you see the Photoshop Express app, and ours is here. Tap on it to open. So you can see we have landed on the app information page, and here is where we are going to do the troubleshooting. Alternatively, if this was a long process, just go to the app and then long press on it, and from here you'll see the app info, which is this. Tap on it and then it will lead you to the same page. Now we are interested in clearing the app data and more especially the cache. So if I go to storage, you can see we have quite a number of cache data. Cache are just small files that are normally stored on your app when you use it, and these files are usually stored to enhance the performance of the app. However, the accumulation of these files might result into your app malfunctioning. So what you need to do is to clear this cache data, and to do so, use the clear data button, which is here. If we tap on it, you'll see now you have the clear cache. Tap on it and OK, and you can see that the cache data has been cleared. Now from here, restart your smartphone and then try opening this app, and it should work now fine. But should this not solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and look for the app in Play Store and look for any update if it is available. To do this, just open Play Store and then search for your app. And here's our app. Tap on it to open. Then you will see an update here. If there is any update, then it means that you have been using the outdated version of your app, and that is one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning or crashing. So go ahead and update it to the latest version and then try opening it. At this point, everything should be done and everything should be okay. But should you still have any challenge, then you might want to go ahead and uninstall the app totally and then log in afresh with your credentials, and now you should have solved all the problems. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to solve your problem. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.